Hey there, in this video, we'll write a JavaScript program that calculates the annual salary of employees, especially managers, using object-oriented programming. We'll build a base employee class and extend it with a manager class that includes bonus logic. This is a practical example of how inheritance and method overriding work together in JavaScript. Let's dive in. Our task is to create an employee class to handle basic salary calculation. Then, we'll extend it with a manager class that includes bonus calculation, which is 10% of the base annual salary. We log this we log this salary details for two different managers and see the output. This is our main code structure. We define an employee class with name and salary. Its calculated annual salary method multiplies the monthly salary by 12. The manager class extends employee and introduces a new property, department. It overrides the salary method and to add a 10% bonus to the base annual salary. Notice how we use super to call the parent method before applying the bonus. Here's what's happening step by step. We define two classes. Employee handles the basics. Manager builds on top of that by overriding the annual salary logic. We compute the bonus only for managers, so the method overrides makes perfect sense here. Finally, we use this setup to calculate and display each manager's full salary, including bonuses. Let's break down the numbers. Angela earns 5,000 a month, giving her base of 60,000 a year. Her 10% bonus is 6,000, totaling up to 66,000. Janelle's monthly salary is 5,500, so her total jumps up to 72,600 with the bonus included. These concepts are directly applicable in real-world scenarios, especially in business software. You'll often need to model employee hierarchies and adjust salaries dynamically. It is also a great example for interview prep when demonstrating OOP and method of overriding in JavaScript. In summary, we've built a solid OOP example using JavaScript's class system. With inheritance, we've avoided duplication. With method overriding, we've tailored behavior for managers. It is readable, maintainable, and highly relevant to real coding scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.